What's up guys, welcome to another freaking video. As you can see back here, we got the 2022 BRZ. Now it may look a little bit different. As you can tell, we don't have any wheels on it. We have the stocks back onto the BRZ. That's because if you guys will follow me on Instagram, I actually sold the wheels not too long ago. We got the FRS over there on stocks. So the wheels that were on the FRS, the white Workmeisters, are actually gonna be going onto the BRZ once we throw on the wide body kit for SEMA. Those wheels are currently getting powder coated right now, refinished and everything, but today is a very huge day. We're finally gonna be picking up the StreetHunter wide body kit. We got about a 3-hour drive ahead of us right now. So yeah guys, so excited. We're gonna get to see the kit finally in person for the very first time. SEMA prep is officially starting right now. It is time to wide body this car. Are you guys ready to hear the loudest 2022 BRZ on the internet? Here it is. Yo, I'm so freaking excited. I've been waiting for this day for so long. It's been months, guys. We've been working with StreetHunter this whole entire time. I wanted to tell you guys so much, but we're going with the StreetHunter wide body kit. I didn't want to reveal it too early on, but this was the plan all along. Finally can tell you guys, I'm so excited. A lot of you guys are saying in the previous video that you guys don't know what SEMA is, and just to clear it up, SEMA is pretty much like the biggest car show you can attend. It's such a special thing to me. It's such a blessing, and I'm so thankful to even have this opportunity. Always dreamed of going to SEMA. Saw my favorite YouTubers going to SEMA every single year, so to be in this position, honestly, I want to thank you guys so much. But yeah, we're gonna pick up the wide body kit right now, and man, this does not look too pretty. Not gonna lie, we got a 3-hour drive to go pick up the wide body kit over there. So let's just get right into it, and it's probably gonna be dark by the time we get there, which is crazy. Alright guys, we made it to Street Fighter. That was a long freaking drive. It was like 3 hours or so, but we finally made it. We're gonna try to fit everything in the cars. I don't know how we're gonna do it. We brought Jason's wagon, as you guys saw, so we're gonna try to fit as much of the kit in there. Possibly in the BRZ we'll be able to put some of the fenders, but right after this, literally, we're gonna head to Lonzo's house over at Lonzo Works to drop the BRZ off. I'm gonna leave the car over there so we can work on the kit, get it installed this weekend and everything. It's gonna be a long day. It's already like 8 p.m. Still got a ton of driving to do, but first, let's get this kit situated and see what it looks like.
That'd be sick.
There it is. What you think, Jason? Think it fit?
There's no rear bumper, right?
No rear bumper.
Yeah, perfect, yeah.
We got Dylan right here.
What up, what up?
Dude, these cars are insane. I've never seen them in person. So what are these, dude?
All right, so these are two of my personal builds that I've had for SEMA in the past years. The first one over here is a Midnight Purple E36 M3 with an RB26 swap in it. The RB's fully built, single turbo, WISFAD kit up front. You know, it's basically a full, like, fun haver drift car, so to speak.
Yeah, that's so freaking
It's been
sick.
to SEMA actually 3 times. About 2 years later, I actually decided to naturally go into an E46 after. Everything that I learned from this car, I applied into this car.
What motor is in this one?
It's a Hellcat motor, actually. If I grab it
I thought it was just like an LS car.
It's not exactly a Hellcat motor. What I did was I got a 6.4 liter 392 motor. Worked with Magnuson to actually you know, bolt on a new supercharger system that would be kind of like a makeshift Hellcat.
Yeah,
So
okay.
we ended up doing that. It runs on full standalone ECU and everything. What you want to see?
That's insane, dude.
Yeah, we finally tidied it up. You know, everything's all nice and tucked. Everything's custom fabricated. Everything, motor mounts, the headers, exhaust.
It's like super late right now. He's about to start it. Is it gonna be like super loud? Should I like prepare for this?
Yeah.
All right. All right. I think I'm ready. I'm looking at the. That sounds so good. I don't even have the words for that, dude. That's crazy. That's like goals, dude. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Well, there you have it, guys. Honestly, the sickest freaking BMWs I've seen. Heck yeah. I love them, dude. As you guys just saw, this is pretty much almost the entire kit. We're just missing the passenger side rear quarter panel because we're still doing some work on that. But yeah, as you guys saw, we got the rear fenders right here. No rivets whatsoever. It's gonna be completely reverse mounted. I've never dealt with a reverse mounted kit before. Leaves me kind of scared, not gonna lie, but it should be sick. No rivets at all. And then the front fenders are direct replacement, which is super cool. Should be really easy to install. Like I said, it's direct replacement, so all you gotta do is really take off the stock fenders, put those ones on, and same as the front bumper. Literally just take off the stock bumper, put that one on, and the fitment, he said, is super good, so I'm honestly so excited. This is gonna be so sick, guys. There is some carbon pieces like this, which attach to the side skirts as well as the front fenders. There's also a front lip and a big wing. There's also a hood right here, and then the pieces for the rear bumper. There's really so many parts we gotta put on the car. Honestly, the piece I'm so like hyped and excited on is the front bumper. Now, I love the GR86 front bumper so much. I think it looks really good, way better than the BRZ one. As you can tell, it looks just almost like a GR86 front bumper. There is some little details, obviously more vents, but overall, this front bumper looks like a GR86 front bumper. So I'm excited. I feel like that piece right there is honestly what I'm most excited for.
Hey, so how you feeling?
Not it. Excited, bro. I'm not sitting in the
bro.
back
It's
seat.
like,
I don't care how small I am, bro. I'm not sitting in the back seat. Okay, interrupt me, man.
I know.
not sick, but we got like 2 weeks. Wide body and wraps. Yeah, like trying to fit it all in his wagon. I don't know.
Yeah, now we got just plastic. Tilted. I mean, or more than that. Probably 7 car.
Eternity later.
Almost there. We got a few fenders left.
Shut up. He's so happy for no reason, bro. No. Hey, this car is this car's a lease, bro. It's not even a lease.
We did it, guys. We fit everything in Jason's wagon. Honestly, didn't think we would be able to, but we managed to. All fenders, side skirts, front bumper, the hood, all fit in the wagon. Oh my gosh. Where are you sitting, bro? On the roof?
I'm about to sit back there. Look.
Oh shoot. Oh, that's not that bad.
Sub? A little sub? Man, just met a sub out here in the LA area.
So random, really. I don't even know where we are. It's crazy. It's trying to race. He's been trying to race for like the past 30 minutes. Not even joking.
We're gonna honk 3 times. Ready?
Alright, I'm over this, bruh.
Nah, don't do it, bro.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm about to say, bro, your alignment is so sketch right now, bro.
Alright guys, this is gonna be the resting place for the BRZ for probably the next few weeks or so. We're over at Lonzo's house. If you guys watch the videos, you guys know we always come here for like exhaust work, fabrication. He does literally a whole bunch of stuff, so I trust him with the StreetHunter kit right here. And we're just gonna knock it out, guys. We have a ton of pieces to this kit. It's been a while since I've touched a wide body kit, you know, ever since we did the V3 kit on the FRS. And I just cannot wait for literally this transformation of the BRZ. Drop a like upon this video if you guys are just as excited and hyped about this car. Oh, it's gonna be crazy. I've never done something like this. Well, I have, you know, the wide body, but as far as SEMA and you know, this whole crunch time thing, we got like a few weeks, like I said. I've never done something like this. I'm nervous, scared, excited, I'm hyped. There's a lot of emotions right now.